Have you ever wondered how noise-canceling headphones manage to silence the chaos around you? Hi and welcome to my channel. Now imagine using that same technology not to block out noise from the outside world, but to control the sound coming from a speaker itself. We're going to explore a clever method for building a cardioid speaker using two drivers: the main and the anti-noise driver, a microphone, and a smart algorithm, all inspired by how ANC headphones work. An active noise control ANC used in headphones. Surrounding noise is eliminated to create a quiet listening experience in ANC speakers. However, the goal is different. The rear sound wave, which usually radiates from the back of the speaker, is cancelled out, so that sound is focused toward the listener or directed only to the front. A microphone placed behind the speaker picks up the unwanted rear sound. This signal is sent to a smart digital processor, where it's treated as an error signal. Using an adaptive algorithm, the processor continuously analyzes the error and generates a corrective signal, played through a secondary speaker to cancel out the rear wave. In this example, we've simplified the concept, but in practice, the process is quite complex. It's worth mentioning that cardioid speakers like the Dutch and Dutch 8C and the Kii Three also control their radiation patterns, but without using a microphone. So the method we're demonstrating here is fundamentally different. That said, building a speaker based on this theory is absolutely possible in real-world applications. Like any approach, it comes with its own advantages and limitations. To demonstrate how the system cancels the rear wave, we can use this audio spectrum visualization. Keep in mind that this technique is most effective at low frequencies, where the wavelengths are longer and easier to control. As you'll see, the system gradually eliminates the rear wave, but it does so within a very short period of time. For those who are more interested in ANC speakers, here's a more detailed flowchart of the system. It's important to note that ANC headphones don't use a separate anti-noise driver. Instead, the algorithm processes the incoming sound and separates the noise from the main audio signal, generating a canceling wave using the same driver that plays the music. Measurements show that this approach can control low frequencies with good accuracy. However, at higher frequencies, such as 500 or 1000 Hz, it mainly reduces the rear wave at 180 degrees, while at other angles it can actually widen the directivity pattern instead of narrowing it. And this graph shows the amount of sound reduction across the frequency range up to 1450 Hz. Thanks for watching.